In a lush green jungle, nestled among tall trees, lived a brave little tortoise named Timmy. Every day, Timmy would spend hours collecting colorful building blocks. One day, Timmy heard about the Tower of Knowledge, a structure made entirely of building blocks, hidden deep within the jungle. Timmy was determined to find the tower and show off his building skills. He asked his friends, "Who can help me find the Tower of Knowledge?" A smart little squirrel named Sally said, "I've heard that it's at the top of Mount Wise." With a determined look in his eyes, Timmy set off on his journey, carrying his bag of building blocks. As he climbed Mount Wise, he encountered a steep and rocky path. But Timmy's courage never wavered, and he persevered, one step at a time. Finally, he reached the top, and there, standing tall, was the Tower of Knowledge. The sight of it filled Timmy with awe and wonder. He admired the intricate design of the tower, with layers of different colored blocks stacked perfectly on top of each other. Timmy felt a surge of excitement as he knew he had a chance to show off his building skills. He started to assemble his blocks, creating a beautiful little tower beside the grand Tower of Knowledge. Suddenly, a wise old owl swooped down from the sky and said, "Timmy, your little tower is a testament to your creativity and perseverance." Timmy beamed with pride, knowing that he had accomplished something special. That night, as he laid in his cozy shell, Timmy dreamt of many more adventures and the endless possibilities of building with his blocks. The end.